Mr. Don't give a webcam. Oh my god. I've been at it, I just found it. But big of myself, bestie. And plus, big of myself, my two besties in the world. But y'all can see I am very bored, right? I'm listening to some Trey songs, thinking about this guy. Oh, I want to be thinking about me. Let me get that feeling. I am super bored though, but I'm thinking of someone. She's cute. Lisa, you know who I'm talking about too, because you requested him as a friend. I don't even know what to say. The person knows who I'm talking about, so not really much to say. I show up. And let's try the haters. Just so you know, I'm on one, and I was nobody mind. So keep that in mind. I don't want y'all that got mine. I may be single, but he's mine. Just don't know it yet. And for all y'all haters wanna hate on this video, I'm not even gonna do it. But you know what I mean. Okay.